Hi, my name's Karina. We're here today to talk about the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Prevention Services. Um, the preventative services are there to keep you healthy and to find problems early. And these are all available if you're on Medicare. You should make your annual appointment. That's one of the preventative services is you get a yearly wellness visit. And at that visit, you and your physician will talk about these screenings. You can print this list out. You can find it at the CMS website in the Medicare and You book that you get every year. It talks about these things. And you can talk to your physician about it and see if these are appropriate for you. Not all tests are appropriate for everybody, but if they're appropriate for you, they are covered by Medicare. So you're better off catching something early. Prevention is key. When you catch something early, you are able to change your lifestyle in order to manage it better, possibly reverse it, or you can go on a less intrusive sort of treatment plan, which, like diabetes, you don't have to be on insulin. You could be on a pill instead of insulin, and that's a better for your body. So when you're new to Medicare, you get a welcome to Medicare visit, and that's the first year that you're on your Part B. You go see your Medicare doctor, and if it's not your regular doctor from before, you'll get a new one, and you'll go and say, hi, I'm new to Medicare, and kind of get established. Then every year you'll want to go and get your blood work and your screening tests. Some of these tests are done annually. Some are done every 2 years, every 3 years. Some of them are based on your condition or your individual situation. You definitely, want to get things early, and there's no reason not to do it when Medicare covers it. So you've got your flu shot, which some people like and others don't. Your diabetes screening and the training, if you do have diabetes, if you can stay on those pills and not go to insulin, that would be great. Depression, colon cancer, cardiovascular disease, cholesterol screening, bone density for women, that's a big one. You don't want to end up falling at 78 years old and not know that you had osteoporosis or osteopenia, and then you have fractured bones and you're getting kyphoplasty or other more intrusive treatments. You want to get a bone density test. Alcohol misuse, definitely they have support for that. Abdominal aortic aneurysm screening, you'd be surprised how many people have that. Glaucoma testing, also if you're diabetic, they have the retina screening. One of the top 5 reasons people go to nursing homes is they're blind from macular degeneration or glaucoma. So keep up your eye appointments when you're over 65, every 2 years, every year. Whatever your doctor recommends, you definitely need to stay up on that because you can lose your sight fairly quickly in some cases. A lot of times, and it's expensive. The drops are expensive. I understand. I have glaucoma. Well, I'm a glaucoma suspect, which is a genetic situation that I have. So I'm already on the eye drops, which is going to prevent glaucoma from making me blind. So I understand the expense, but if you're blind and you're over 65, there's a good chance you'll end up in a nursing home, which is not something you want. Hepatitis, HIV, lung cancer, mammogram, nutrition therapy. This is great if you have, you always wanted to talk to a nutritionist about your diet and you have issues with that. Definitely talk to your doctor and get a nutrition therapy service. Diabetes prevention, obesity, PAP, pelvic exam, that includes a breast exam for women. The pneumonia shot is even more important than the flu shot. Pneumonia is, I think, the 11th cause of death in United States. So you don't want to get pneumonia, and if you get pneumonia, it can set you back physically and mentally for quite a while if you get a good case of it. So you definitely don't want to get pneumonia. If you're not into the vaccines, and you have to pick one, I would, talk to your doctor, but definitely you want to consider that. Prostate cancer, that's a big one. STDs, and stop smoking, of course. So there you go. There's the top list of the Guide to Medicare Preventative Services from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid. Have a great day.